Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the cutest DIY project. It is going to be a gnome for our outdoor. So you're going to need one of these cloths from, of course, none other than Dollar Tree. I am using this infinity scarf, but you can use any other one that you would like. I'm using this little puff ball, this little bead. Well, it's not too little, it's a little bit thicker one. And then if you have gray, you could use gray, but I didn't. So I'm going to mix a little bit of the white and black for mine. You're going to need, of course, some stuff to paint with, and then a hairband. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Now I'm using this Santa Claus, but you don't need to use this one. Like if you find, I believe they had a snowman, I'm not quite sure, but as long as it's in this shape, really, that's all you need. So we're going to go ahead and get started. But if you haven't already, please make sure that you show me some love by giving me that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And that way you don't miss any of my videos. So I love creating these DIY projects for you. So make sure you share them with anybody that you think might like them. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to create the body of our gnome.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
So as you guys have been able to tell, really all I have done is painted the body gray, and I left a little of the shoes basically showing. We're actually going to fix those up a little bit later. We want to go ahead and let all of this dry, and then we'll be back for more. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and take our white terry cloth, and we are going to start on his beard. And I love this part. You're basically going to go ahead and take it and angle it so that it's in a triangle shape. And then you're going to cut the very top off. and make sure that you have a nice thick part, and you're going to scrunch it up like you see me doing here, and you're literally going to go ahead and glue it on the very top where that gray ends. And I'm going to go ahead and have you watch so that you can get an idea of how this is going to work, as it's easier to see versus me trying to explain it.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. Started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together on the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. Christmas time's got the best of me, then it starts to snow in our heart. We both know that we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. Falling
So I wanted to give my gnome a cute little sign. So of course I'm using this dollar store kitchen towel, and this little wood piece is also from Dollar Tree, and all I'm doing is just adding my homemade Mod Podge to it, and we are going to attach it to our gnome. Okay, so this is the next day, and I had gotten a little bit of paint on the towel, which I was a little bit annoyed with, but either way, I wanted to add some embellishment. So what better way than to add some cute little Christmas berries and, you know, whatnot. So that's what you're going to see me do here. And honestly, you guys, other than fixing up the shoes, that pretty much concludes our little guy. So he's super easy, super inexpensive, and I truly hope you guys have enjoyed it, and anybody can recreate this, so I hope you guys do. Well, that concludes today's video, so I hope you have enjoyed it, and I want to thank you so much for all of your constant love and support. Please make sure to show me if you do recreate any of my projects, and if you can, please make sure to share my content with anyone that you think might like it, because it helps out my channel so much. So I hope you guys are staying safe, and I want to thank you again, and I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.